Hi guys, how to integrate Python AI libraries like Flask, and HTML to produce web application. So you will yield the Python code and save it as app like this one. So here you can test this in Google Colab. You will import the important libraries and which you will use as Flask, as Google Translate, import translator. This program or this app is to translate one word to another, using to define which word in which language and to translate to other language. So this is the app root. Define an index where if request method equal post. Try this and then run the app. Here is this is the function index. Here is the result, the source language, the target language, the translate text, if request method post, word request from form word, request dot form word, target language request form target language. Okay, and try text word translated, return render template the index page with result equals result. So this is the HTML, this is the form, this is the word, and this is the target language, and this is the translate button. Okay, here is the result. Time. So you will save this word index in a template folder templates, and the app will be saved in the outer of the templates, not inside templates. And then to run you need to install the Flask library. This Flask library I have to install. After installation you will run the app Python. The app Python will be run. Here the app.py run. After running you will open this link. This one you will open in any browser. Copy and then go here and then paste, Ctrl V, enter a word in Arabic salam, in English it's peace, so translate to in English and English. Translate greet, salam, Arabic, translate to English, greet. Okay, peace, translate to Arabic, salam. So this, that if you have any question, ask and I reply you soon possible.